What are you doing?
Lap.
Lap.
Try to make.
Try to be.
Now, I'm gonna finish this one.
Today we use only chicken, but actually pork. If you eat pork, if you eat seafood, any meat. Also vegetarian for tofu.
I only like it with chicken.
And today we use only chicken because it's safe for everyone.
That's nice.
Now make your fire lower. And then you do seasoning, like you do your stir fry. Sugar 1 teaspoon, fish sauce 2 teaspoons again. Okay, 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
The same and the same.
Same.
Yeah.
And how spicy you want? Low, medium, high.
And emotional.
How about you? Medium. How spicy? Low, medium, high.
Yes, but I was spicy today. A little
Yeah. In Thai เจ็บนิดเจ็บ Nothing.
You see the line there? I need you to squeeze the line and mix everything together.
Fish sauce. Okay. Ooh. Yummy. And this menu is supposed to be spicy, sour, salty. But for you guys, maybe sour first. Sour, spicy.
Yeah. Need something more, add by yourself more sweet sugar, more salty sweet sauce there. More spicy, I have chili powder over you.
แล้วถ่าย which flavor you like the main flavor?
Spicy.
Spicy, okay.
Spicy sour.
For me, sour is main flavor. It depends on your flavor.
Spicy first.
Spicy first.
Push it, lemon.
Lamb, yes.
Mix it up, how do you mix it? Use
Okay, and then squeeze the lamb.
Ja.
add it now.
If you like more lamb, you can add more. If you like more sour, add more lamb.
We make it at home in balls, small balls, meat balls, and fried.
Oh,
Roasted rice.
yeah. Wow. Okay, in
We have learned it in Chiang Mai.
uh-huh.
On a restaurant there. She said, come on, backstage.
Oh, that's cool. Cool. And you where you from?
Denmark.
You from the family Denmark. Oh, Denmark. Same family?
Friends and my mother and my stepfather.
Okay. And one China.
And one child.
One China.
How about your love? Is it good? Fine.